We're at CES 2018 and I'm at the Sony stand where I'm joined by Gavin McCarron to talk about their new TV lineup. So I started by asking Gavin about the new OLED TVs for 2018.
So, new model is the AF8 series, so it sits just below the A1, which continues as our flagship OLED model for 2018, and it features all of the same kind of unique DNA that we've seen already in the A1. We didn't want to dilute that Bravia OLED message, so picture processor-wise, we've got the X1 Extreme, as we saw in the A1, and the very unique Acoustic Surface technology as well for the sound. Difference is in design, so you'll notice with the AF8 it sits on a pedestal basically, so it's more of an upright design, and that actually gives you a smaller footprint as well, so maybe if you're a bit stuck for space on a TV bench, you can have a narrower TV bench, and also will mount closer to the wall as well. Available in two screen sizes, 65-inch and a 55-inch as well, and will be coming out around springtime.
Does that mean then that the A1 remains the flagship model in the range?
Exactly, A1 flagship model in 55, 65 and 77-inch as well.
Are there any differences in the way that the Acoustic Surface works between the two?
Exactly the same sound quality on the AF8 as the A1, so we haven't diluted that message at all. It's the same great sound quality, and the great thing about Acoustic Surface as well is the fact that there's that great relationship between what you're seeing on the screen and what you're hearing as well. It's the great kind of fusion of what you see, your sound, and also what your vision as well.
So what have you got in terms of the new LCD lineup?
For LCD lineup, again, ZD9 continues for 2018 as our flagship LCD model, but we've got a new model, the XF90. So the XF90 essentially replaces the XE90 from 2017. Same screen sizes, 49, 55, 65 and 75. Full array LED backlight, like we had on the XE90. Extended Dynamic Range Pro, which is the very important algorithm that controls that backlight. But this year we've introduced the X1 Extreme processor into the XF90, so fantastic quality that you'd expect from the X1 Extreme. And we've got a new motion technology as well called X Motion Clarity, which actually makes use of that full array LED backlight to give very, very smooth, crisp and clear picture quality, even in fast moving content. So we use the full array LED backlight to essentially do backlight blinking, black area blinking as opposed to black frame insertion. So it's pretty cool technology that we'll see more of, very important for this year of course. And on the XF90 we've got all new design as well. We've got a beautiful matching soundbar, the XF9000, which sits really, really neatly between the stand and the XF90 as well. So very, very cool bit of kit.
And any other models in the range?
So a couple of new models in the range as well. We've got the XF85, which replaces the XE85, but in a whole range of different screen sizes. So this will take me a second, 43, 49, 55, 65, 75 and 85 as well. That uses the X1 processor, Edge LED, great TV in a whole range of different screen sizes. And then we've got the new XF80 as well, 43, 49 and 55 inch, 4K Extra Reality Pro and Triluminous display. All of the new models are running Android, of course Android TV for the user experience.
You mentioned that the XF90 will have the X1 Extreme processor, so that presumably means it will also have Dolby Vision?
Exactly, Dolby Vision will come after an update for the XF90 and the AF8 as well that we mentioned earlier. The 2017 models, the Dolby Vision update will roll out from the end of January through February as well, so you can look forward to that.
Will the updates for the new models happen at the same time as the 2017 models?
Well, the new models come out later in the year, so we'll update you on the situation around Dolby Vision at that stage.
I see there are some prototypes on display at the stand, including the X1 Ultimate processor. How does that differ from the X1 Extreme?
So the X1 Ultimate, actually the demonstration we have with that is it's pretty awesome. It's full spec 8K HDR, so it tops out at 10,000 nits, which is the highest nit rate, should say, that you can record content in. So it looks incredible, but the X1 Ultimate is twice as powerful as the X1 Extreme, so more processing power to give you even better picture quality. There's a couple of nice technologies in there. We've talked about object-based technologies before with object-based HDR remaster, so that's improved on the X1 Ultimate, but we've also got a new technology called object-based super resolution. So basically what that will do is, for upscaling, it will identify all of the different objects within the picture and apply the best settings to upscale or give super resolution to those objects instead of just looking at the picture as one entity. So lots of processing power. It is only a technical demonstration, only a conceptual demonstration, but it's an exciting look at what kind of technology may be available sometime in the future.
Gavin, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Steve.